Which was the first brand that you started to?
उस टाइम पे देखो वी वर जस्ट 23-year-old, कोई लाइसेंस तो नहीं देने वाला था 23-year-old को. So कुछ witty lines थे, बस funny lines and
quotes
stuff.
and
हाँ, just
funky
quotes.
stuff.
But we did it really well, good precision and all. At least what we thought at the time. अभी देख के यार embarrassment होता है. पर we didn't lose out on what the aim is कि pop culture तो करना ही है. तो every other week and month we used to go and email Disney, email Warner Brothers, even like comedians, Kenny Sebastian, Tanmay Bhatt, and eventually someone answered.
Who was that someone?
AIB was the first one.
Aha, nice.
And
Tanmay is always a nice guy.
He said, "Yaar, I have so much views, but I want AIB to be on my fans, so we should sell T-shirts based on the videos. जो भी वीडियो में आएगा, जो भी जोक है, वो जोक टी-शर्ट पे छपवाएंगे और एंड में लिंक होगा. ब्रांडिंग, फ्री eyeballs, trust was built, and I think this was also a segue to get Warner Brothers to look at us. And they said that देखो, we won't give you DC and those Harry Potter and all, that's too big. पर Big Bang Theory and Friends कोई नहीं करता, कर लो. But a fan knows how big that is.
Yes.
Corporates may not, and we were like, chalega.
Friends, sure.
Oh, for sure, yeah. Friends and Big Bang Theory are die hard. Yeah. That's the break we got. And one of the biggest differentiators which we had is when you get these licenses and you sign all these contracts.
कैसे चलता है यार licenses ऐसे? कैसे मिलता है? How does a deal look like if I want to partner with a friend?
Lot of pages and lawyers and all, but हाँ पैसा तो है, पर बिग बैंग थ्योरी और फ्रेंड्स के लिए उन्होंने ज़्यादा नहीं मांगा क्योंकि दे थॉट द पोटेंशियल इज इन देयर.
ओके, सो इज देयर यूजुअली कि यार वो बोलते हैं आपको अपफ्रंट पेमेंट देना पड़ेगा या मिनिमम गारंटी देना पड़ेगा? हाउ डज इट वर्क? एंड देन यू गाइस वर स्मॉल आल्सो, राइट? यू आर जस्ट गेटिंग स्टार्टेड.
You have to give an upfront payment or minimum guarantee. मतलब देखो, the way these things typically work is you have to pay a percentage of sales as royalty fee.
Fair.
Suppose 10% है. I'll just give an arbitrary number. If it's 10%, then if you sell worth 500 rupees, you have to give them 50 rupees.
Right.
Very simple. Some are lower percentages, a lot of them are higher percentages.
Sure.
But you also promise them कि whatever my sales are, minimum I'll give you, say 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore.
उसको minimum guarantee बोलते हैं.
उसको minimum guarantee.
And that is yearly होता है कि पूरा साल के लिए होता है या
different structures, but usually yearly minimum guarantees is the thumb rule. So we got these, we had these MGs. और what they give you is also एक style guide जहाँ पे सब designs होते हैं. अच्छा. And you're supposed to use the style guide. But हम इंडस्ट्री से तो नहीं है. Like we didn't even know कि ये norm होता है. Style guide से उठाओ, Ctrl+C Ctrl+V करो.
You're a salesman then. आप क्या ही कर रहे हो
तो we just redesigned everything. And they were like यार ये effort कौन लेता है? पर ठीक है, हम approve कर लेंगे. designs अच्छा है, इंडिया में तो ऐसे ही बिकेगा. So we tailored it to what a fan would want, what an Indian fan would want, and it did really well. And that was the start of how we got started. And then they were like, यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ, sales भी अच्छा, branding भी अच्छा, quality अच्छा है, तो Harry Potter के साथ करो.
Damn,
and then,
that's a big one.
Yeah, and then that starts rolling. Harry, then Lord of the Rings came, not much response there, and then Disney. Then Disney, then WWE, and then we had 7 IPL teams at a point. Once you are good at something, then it starts snowballing. Yeah.
All right, understood. यार Friends आ गया, Big Bang Theory आ गया. But usually for a business like yours, where fandom based brand है ना, कि बहुत सारे brands के साथ collaborate करो, खुद का भी brand है, if I'm not wrong, right? But for a fandom brand that you're selling, आपका 100 rupees अगर revenue है, आपका cost structure कैसे दिखता है?
So it's obviously changed year on year. पहले जो था वो आज अलग हो. बीच में तो लॉस भी बना रहे थे तो
that's okay.
वो फंडिंग हो जाता तो like all P&Ls change after funding. No, so I think let me say the starting days, which might be helpful to people. Yes. One तो we knew कि our total kitty was some 5 lakhs plus change. Okay. तो जो भी बिजनेस बनाना था इससे ही बनाना है. तो profitability, cash flows and all had to be positive. Correct. And really positive. In fact, we had a thing that we wanted to reach 100 crores in about 7 years or 6 years. ऐसे कुछ paper
2021.
हाँ, पेपर पे जो भी गोल डाल देते हैं वो हो जाता. So I think by 2018 we were at about 30 crores. So with 5 lakhs, we had made it to a 30 crore business.
Phenomenal.
And that's when we got our first round of funding. Because I remember, and I'll tell you why we took it. क्योंकि Game of Thrones का MG बहुत ज़्यादा था, पर Game of Thrones बहुत hot था.
Yes.
तो we were like, यार ये पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, चलो market में जाते हैं. And then we easily got funded at that point because online business that makes money was unheard of. So that happened, and then then we started burning.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.